That was beautiful. Good. Laying back. In.
Now you just heard those adjustments at the start of the video. You want to stick around for the rest of this video because we have got an action-packed video full of chiropractic adjustments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We post every single day. I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
A bit of flattening on the right side, mild to moderate flattening on the left as well. Their arm swing is normal, even on both sides. Looks like a high right hip balancing the left shoulder. We'll go back one more time. Let's see. I'm going to start off with a scan of your spine. Very gentle, right on top. Okay, I'm going to do a temperature assessment now with the back of my hands. The muscles on the right side of your spine are very overactive compared to the left side of your spine here. Thoracic spine, just a little bit though, Beth. It's not like a whole lot. Okay, I'm going to push a little bit deeper into the muscles now. Tender.
A little bit.
Any tenderness here?
No.
Any tenderness here?
No.
Any tenderness here?
A little bit.
Any tenderness here?
No.
You're going to feel that my fingertips on the back of your hamstrings. Tracing these up to the top, we've got lower on the right. And then looking from the top view, it's more externally rotated on the right, so possible PIEX on the right. Slight rotation in the lumbar spine here. Touch your toes. And then checking for any curvatures here. We do have some what looks like rib humping on the right side here. Okay, I'm going to push down onto your sacrum. Is there any pain when I push like this, Beth?
No, a little bit.
Where? Does it hurt underneath my hand or higher up in your back?
Like the bony spot.
Like right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Any pain here?
No.
Any pain here?
No.
Good, nice, gentle breathing. Tender?
Yeah.
Out through your mouth. Good, following you down, Louis, gentle, gentle. Spine here. Same thing, breathing in. Good, and out. Good, shoulders relax, just kind of sink.
I didn't know it was going to be like multiple cracks. Thought it was going to be like one crack.
Okay, let's try one like this. This one we push at the top of your in-breath. You're going to breathe all the way in, and then when you get to the top of your breath, that's when we'll give a little push.
Okay.
So do that. Go ahead and breathe all the way in. All the far in as you can go, and then let your shoulders drop as you breathe out. Good. You're going to breathe in, and then as you breathe out, we'll lean back, hold the slouch, okay? Okay, breathe in. And out. All the way down. Good. Keep coming down. That was beautiful. Relax, relax, relax. As you breathe in, as you breathe out, we're just going to follow your breath down like this and then push like that at the end of your breath, okay? Mm-hmm. Okay, breathing in and out. Good. Let the shoulders relax. Good. Hang back. Here, same thing. As you breathe out, just let your shoulders come up and out. Good. Let this go. Good. Laying back to the right. Back to center. Now to the left. Back to center. Right atlas, left atlas. Left ear, left shoulder. Center. Okay, nice and gentle. Just loosening up your neck. Good. So breathing. Gentle. Good. Let it all relax, loosey goosey. 7, 6, 5, 4. It's all at the top. Let this kind of sink in. Same thing, following your breath. Breathing. Good. Good. Let this relax. Just kind of sink in, Beth. Good. Let it go. Good. Let this go. Good. One more. All right, so let's do ileocecal valve here. So we find the 2 points, then we trace a line in between. Tender.
Yeah.
Okay, breathe into your belly. Fill your belly up with air. Good, and out. Again, in and out. In and out. Then the pyloric sphincter. This is where the stomach empties into the small intestine. Breathe into your belly. Good. Keep doing that. Out. In. Out. Keep going. In. Out. In. Out. In. And out. In, out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is support your cervical spine with this towel, okay? Mm-hmm. And then I'm going to use the towel to just create some traction in that direction. Okay. So nice and gentle breathing. Just kind of breathing softly. You can close your eyes, nothing to look at. And then we're going to pull in this direction. Deep breath in and out. How's that?
Good.
Did you feel it all the way down? Did you low back?
I don't know. Felt it in my neck.
Okay. Let's do one more breathing in and out.
Oh, I felt that.
Still kicking. Relax, relax, relax. This guy, let that go. Just look straight ahead. 2, now lean forward. Good. Wow. Tender.
No.
Tender.
No.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.